Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, yesterday we started reading of lesson number 7, that is Clever Mirchu. We read 7 paragraphs and today we are going to continue the lesson. So open your books on page 40. I will cut down the small trees, said the woodcutter, and you boys must collect all the branches and tie them into small bundles. It is going to be hard work. Dear students, now there is a question. What did the woodcutter ask the boys to do? Yes, the woodcutter asked his boys to collect the branches and tie them into small bundles. With that, he cut the trees with his axe and set his 7 sons to work. उसने दरख्त काटना शुरू कर दिए और उसके बच्चे काम से जुट गए, काम से में मसरूफ़ हो गए. While the boys were gathering as many sticks as they could, the woodcutter nodded to his wife. ने सर हिलाकर अपनी बेगम को इशारा किया. And the two of them just sneaked away. उर्दू में कहते हैं खिसक जाना. Sneaked away and they went from there. They vanished from there. The boys felt a kind of shudder. The boys felt a kind of shudder. They felt some kind of fear or terror. They began to shout and call for their father. They starting to shout and calling their father, thinking that he might be playing some kind of a trick with them. When, however, he did not appear for quite some time, they really felt frightened. They became terrified and began to cry bitterly. Then the clever Mirchu said, "Don't worry, boys, I know the way home. All we have to do is to follow the trail of the white stones." Trail, line. Follow the trail, follow the line of the small white stones. Father isn't going to come. Father will not come. The students, now there is a question for you. Why did the boys begin to weep bitterly? Why did the boys begin to weep bitterly? Very simple answer. The boys began to weep bitterly because they were frightened. Mirchu's brother, however, doubted what he said. Mirchu's brother did not follow his voice. At this, he repeated what their father had said the night before and told them how he had filled his pockets with stones and dropped them one by one on the way. उसने सारी रात की सारी कहानी, सारी बातें बता दी कि कैसे माँ बाप की बातें हुई और उसने जवाब में क्या तरीक़ाकार इख्तियार किया. So Mirchu led his brothers through the deep forest and along the winding paths until they reached the cottage. "Perhaps we are not going to be welcomed," Mirchu said softly. "Let us wait outside the cottage for a while and see if we can hear what father and mother are talking about." Students, there is another question for you. Who led the boys through the deep forest? Yes, simple answer. Mirchu led the boys through the deep forest. When the woodcutter and his wife arrived home early that day, they had found 10 silver coins waiting for them. Someone was there with some 10 silver coins to give them. This was in payment of a debt, loan, that they had long forgotten about. At the sight of so much money, the woodcutter's wife wept with joy. But when she remembered that she would never see her boys again, all her joys vanished, all her joy disappeared, went away, and she began to sob. उसने रोना शुरू कर दिया, sob, हिचकियाँ लेना शुरू कर दी. What use was that money to her now? She thought. अब वो इन पैसों का क्या करेगी? My sons, my poor little sons, she exclaimed sorrowfully. उसने गमज़दा होकर कहा, मेरे बच्चे, मेरे मासूम बच्चे. What would I not give to have you safely back home? Perhaps by now they might have been eaten by wolves. अब तक शायद उनको भेड़िए खा गए हों. This was all Mirchu wanted to hear. He pushed the door open and ran to his mother. His brothers followed him too. Don't cry, mother. We are all here, all safe and sound. मिर्चू दौड़कर माँ से लिपट गया. सारे बच्चे माँ के पास चले गए. What joy and happiness there was in the woodcutter's cottage that night, and what a feast they all had as they sat around the table. फिर रात को दावत उड़ाई और शानदार दावत उड़ाई. The woodcutter, his wife, and all their 7 sons lived happily ever after. Well done, little Mirchu. देखिए, शुरू में आपसे कहा था मा खलक़्त हाज़ा बातिला, अल्लाह ने कोई चीज़ बेसबब पैदा नहीं की. छोटा भाई सब में तेज़ निकला और उसने बिछड़े हुए बच्चों को माँ बाप से मिलवा दिया. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ दिस इज़ टाइम टू क्लोज द लेसन. वी हैव completed the reading of this lesson. As usual, this is the time to assign you the homework. So the homework is read the text 5 times, memorize the keywords with their spellings and their meanings. Okay boys, we will meet inshallah tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.